Yo, 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 what is up, YouTube? Alright, so we're back with another video, but this time we got an unboxing video. In case you guys didn't know, this is actually supposed to be a gaming channel, but since I got these shoes right here, man, I was lucky enough to get these as a huge Kobe stan. I decided to upload this on this channel. So, yeah, man, as of right now, I'm uploading the video. I just record Persona 5 Strikers. Yeah, my room kind of messy on PS5. So, yeah, Persona 5 Strikers, go to game right now. But onto this, man. Goated shoes, goated person, goated player, goated father. Here we have Kobe Bryant's new release, new shoe release, the Kobe 6 Pro Choke All-Star, and he wore this in the 2011 All-Star game where he won his last MVP, his last All-Star MVP, which is now renamed as the Kobe All-Star MVP, man. So, that was kind of hard to say because, man, obviously, yeah, y'all know what happened last year. I mean, a lot of people know what happened last year. And yeah, I was a huge Kobe stan. It really hurt me and all. Oh, man, but here we are, man. Just still learning to get through it. It's still hard to talk about, like, really. But here we are, man. We got the shoes, man. If you guys want to see the whole box, hold up. Yeah, so showing that whole box real quick. Kind of looks a little dust. It's already collecting dust. Literally just got it today, man. Like, I don't even know how, dude. I honestly don't even know how I got these. I was so lucky. Like, usually I lose. This is like my first. Oh my god, this is literally my first W, like, on sneakers ever since, like, the Kobe started getting hard to get, you know. Yeah, man. Like, they gave me early access to Bruce Lee's, but somehow I didn't get that. But it was hella stupid. But yeah, we got these, man. My first W. Like the Kobe 5 Bruce Lee. Oh my god, dude. I can't believe they I don't know, what's a word that doesn't have cussing? Yeah, I don't know. They boofed me on that, pretty much. They boofed me on that one. But yeah, we got this one, dude. This looks freaking beautiful, right? This looks absolutely beautiful. Oh my gosh, man. Icy bottom, bro. The damn icy. Dude, I'm not a shoe freak, so I can't really go into detail, but this looks so amazing in person right now. That is insane. Shoe is so freaking light, man. Did I have a Kobe 6? I don't even think I had. Probably when I was, like, really young. But yeah, like, yeah, when I was pretty young at that time. I was probably wearing around size 10 already at that. No, I wasn't wearing size 10 yet. I was like size 8 or something, bro. Size 8 or size 9 at that time. Oh, shoot. But yeah, man. Look at that, man. Just look at how beautiful this is, though. Yeah, it's hard to hold the camera with one hand while showcasing this, man. Here's the other shoe. Wore this in the All-Star game. I believe he dropped like 37 in these, man, and won the MVP. I know he won the MVP for sure. I don't know how many points he scored, though. He definitely scored almost 40, though. Yeah. Look at that, man. Look at that. Stack them up on the box. The only thing I'd really kind of like, I mean, it's not really a big thing that I mean, it's not really something I don't like about the shoe, but it's just the logo part, man. It's like invisible almost. I wonder what the meaning behind the logo is. Like, I mean, the logo being invisible is. Like, cause it's like almost transparent. It really is almost transparent, but there, man, there you have it, man. Kobe 6 Pro Choke All-Star, man. It looks freaking gorgeous. It looks beautiful, man. Gorgeous, beautiful. Whatever you want to call it, man. There's nothing really to describe this, man. Like, I'm definitely not gonna hoop in these, bro. This is like a souvenir type of thing for me, man. Like, treat all my Kobe's like they my freaking, what do you want? Like they my family, bro. Like it's like they my family. But yeah, man. There you have it, man. Kobe 6 Pro Show. Yeah. All right. That's gonna be pretty much it, guys. So if y'all made it to the end of this video, man, leave a like, join, share the video, subscribe for new, comment down below, man. I can't wait to wear these, man, honestly. Not for hooping probably, but just to showcase it in some of the finest areas, you know, in the world. So no, actually, what the hell am I saying? I'm not showing these at all, bro. Nah, dude, nah, hell no. No way, man. Especially for my first W on sneakers in a long time. Hell no. Oh, man, I accidentally cussed, but I would probably cut that out. All right, man. So if you guys made sense of this video, man, leave out a join. Yeah, peace out.